Welcome to the Deck 7 tour on the Norwegian Jewel.
Welcome to Traveling with a Chair. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Ken Edmonds, and on this channel I help people travel more, spend less, and I provide information that's helpful to those that travel with a disability.
And this tour started as we came out of the shops at the aft end of the ship. They asked me not to film in there. On the left we have the Internet Cafe, and on the right side we have the art gallery. They're busy putting things away, getting them ready to ship. This is the last day of the sailing, actually. We're coming up now into the shore excursion area. They've got brochures and information on the left side. You can see there. Shore excursion desk is just right there straight ahead. In the atrium here, there is an atrium bar, there is customer service, there's the cruise next. On the far side of the atrium you can see a little bit of a shop over there. Very beautiful atrium. Looking up you can see Oceans on deck 8, and this is, like I said, is the shore excursion desk right there. And this deck is the one that has the promenade deck on the outside, so you can go through these doors and get out on the deck. It was really a nice place to wander around on the days when it was comfortable temperature-wise. And we're going to come up in here, go make a right turn past the staircase here, and as we go down this next hallway, we're going to see a couple of entertainment venues and some places to eat, all of which are good things. If we make a right turn, we just go back into the atrium, but going left, and you can see the promenade through the window there, through the door. In this area, off to the left coming up, there'll be Tepanyaki. You can't really see the last two windows on the left side there is Tepanyaki. You can see a little bit of artwork on them. And then we're going to pan around to the left, and as we do that, on the far side, you'll see the Chin Chin Asian restaurant. Straight ahead is the sake bar, and then right there you can see the sushi bar. That's Chin Chin. And like I said, Tepanyaki will be in this room off to the left. This atrium looks down on Magnum Champagne Bar. Le Bistro is down there, as is Maltings and Shakers are all right down below there. And typically there's music playing in Magnum, so you have nice music there to listen to while you're eating. And coming up ahead here on the left, and we'll take a look at it as we get there, is the Bliss Ultra Lounge. And this was kind of more an upscale, or let's say an up-tempo, more modern music typically was played in here, though they did use this venue for several events as well. But very bright, very glitzy, and they had some nice music in there to listen to. And then as we come up straight ahead, you can see the entrance on deck 7 to the Stardust Lounge. And this is one of the two entrances. You could get in the lounge down on deck 6 as well, but this is one of the places that you could go in to watch the shows that they put on. We pretty much saw every show that they had in the Stardust Theater. They had, if you went straight in there, for those that are interested, they had handicap parking area for scooters and seating right at the top, and then that display there, along with a lot of the others throughout the ship, gave you the opportunity to see what was happening. So this has been Deck 7.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. We've got a lot more videos coming up. You're really going to enjoy them. We'll see you next time.